This is DRYS this morning, and the only reason I'm laughing is they reverse split again. And if you follow this company at all, this is Dry Ships. It's almost like are reverse splitting every other week now. It's getting ridiculous. They just reverse split a 15 to 1, and then they reverse split this morning a 7 to 1. And I shorted it this morning a few thousand shares, and grabbed a few $100 real quick. And then I just reshorted 1,000, and I'm going to let it ride down to $1. If you look at the chart, you'll see why. Uh, this company is flat broke. They're a dying company. Look at this step down. But if you look at the yearly, look at this monster like Bitcoin looking spike that occurred. And then since then, it's just been crashing down. But yeah, it's stepping down. And this is I just want to show you this company because you'll see a lot of things like this. Reverse split is just the kiss of death. And the reason why a company does a reverse split is because their stock share price has dropped drastically. And in order to stay listed on the NASDAQ, you have to have at least $1 per share stock price for a period of 20 days or something like that. So when these companies drop below that dollar share price, they'll start reverse splitting so that, if you have 5 shares at $5 and then they do a reverse split 5 to 1, you'll have 1 share at $5. So, it'll just jump up their stock price to keep them from being delisted. And but whenever you see these companies that are just bearish, stepping down, doing reverse splits, their balance sheets are horrendous. It's a great short target, and it really decreases the risk if you can get a good entry on one of these shorts. You're pretty much guaranteed to make money. But yeah, DRYS. I'm pretty sure they're going to be regulated somehow or delisted sometime soon. But for now, I'm going to short this. Hopefully down to $1 over the next couple days. So yeah, DRYS, step down, bearish, reverse splitter with ugly balance sheets. Keep an eye out for companies like this because they're not as uncommon as you think. This is kind of a rare gem though for a short seller. DRYS made a lot of people a lot of money. So I just thought this was a good example. Let me show you the pre-market. This is the DRYS pre-market. You see that it was at 41 cents yesterday at close. And aftermarket, and then it jumped on the split, and then since then it's just been tanking. So it looks like it's finding a little bit of a bottom today around here in the 20s and 30s, but it's inevitable. This is coming back down. So yeah, pretty interesting morning.